am going to show you my tricks and tips on how to use ChatGPT to get professional responses. Do you know that you can get professional responses using ChatGPT? Stick around. If you're new here, my name is LeBlonde Kalalizi. Welcome to this channel. I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to get professional responses. Either you are using it for business, either you are using it as a student for your research, either you are using it to answer homeworks for your school. I am going to take you step by step on how you are going to get professional responses. Right, let's go to ChatGPT. Right, so a lot of people are saying ChatGPT are giving them robotic responses, but there is a way, there is a secret that a secret prompt that you can make ChatGPT give you professional responses based on what you are doing. So the first step that you are going to do, go to ChatGPT. So maybe you have a research that you are working on. Now we're going to say my prompt that I can use here. If you are a student and you are working on a research project, so you are going to come here and give ChatGPT your details, and you are going to say hi ChatGPT. So talk to ChatGPT like a friend. Hi ChatGPT, and then it's going to respond back to you. So start a conversation like you are starting with your friend, right? So you have greeted ChatGPT and it has responded back to you. It say, hi LeBlonde, good to see you, how can I help you today? You see, ChatGPT is ready now to generate your responses. So now you can come back and then say, I want to I am working. So what you can say, I am working on this project titled how to get better at freelancing as a student. Can you please give me 10 best tips to generate $100 per day using social media and digital marketing? And then you will tell it, please use please do not use generic ideas, but step by step practical guideline to generate this result. So do you see how I have created my prompt? First, I have told ChatGPT that I am working on this project, and I gave ChatGPT the title of my project. And now I am being specific on what the result I want for this project. And secondly, I have told ChatGPT to please use a step-by-step practical guideline and do not use generic idea that you guys are getting here on YouTube, you are getting on social media. So ChatGPT is going to give you a guideline that you can use for your project. So let's go and see the response that ChatGPT is going to give us. So ChatGPT is saying great topic and very realistic for students if done strategically. So this can actually be done So this is the step by step that ChatGPT is giving us. So it say pick one high demand and fast paying services on your day one, right? And is giving you the ideas for digital marketing. ChatGPT said, do not sell digital marketing, sell a single outcome. First, Instagram reel posting, caption for small businesses. Guys, if you remember, before this video, I have created a video step by step on how to create TikTok videos or Instagram reels, even YouTube shorts. So you can go watch it there if you did not see it earlier on, right? So you can create Instagram reels posting for small businesses, TikTok content scheduling for coaches, Google business profile optimization, landing page. Also for WordPress, you can see the content I've been creating on this channel, like WordPress website designs. So the video, I will link it in the descriptions and you can also watch it out. So ChatGPT has advised us to take one service only and give a clear promises. So this is the step by steps that we can take. So you can go and use the same prompt and ChatGPT is going to give you the step by step if you are a student who want to create extra income as a freelancer. So do not use generic prompts, do not use the prompt that you are seeing on social media or the prompt that everyone is using. So use professional prompt, like talk to ChatGPT like your friend, talk to ChatGPT like ChatGPT is your mentor, and you are going to get practical and best feedback from it. Alright, thanks. If you have gained value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.